Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com and on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Up first this evening, residents of Old Breaton in Portsmouth St. Catherine are up in arms about what they say was the cold-blooded killing of a teen in the community yesterday. They say 17-year-old Mahim Thomas's killing was unprovoked and are calling for a proper investigation into the police's action. Kirk Wright reports.
It was the killing of 17-year-old Mahim Thomas close to 3 p.m. on Friday that prompted protest action from the Breaton residents. Their anger spilled out onto the Hellshire Drive and Old Breaton Main Road in a fiery protest in St. Catherine. The action of the residents drew the attention of the police and fire department. The teen was killed by police while he was in a friend's yard in Old Breaton. A resident says he was there with 3 other male friends when the police approached them and fired 4 shots hitting Mahim.
Him sit down in the yard, very comfortable, sit down in the yard with 3 I'm looking charged to them. You hear me, I say? And them shoot him 4 times. Gun in the side, I want to see man walk with the gun like him now, nothing to do with him life. And I got to talk about, after I take him up. You know what man say? The man say, now we make him bleed.
I hear 3 shot, boss. I'm come out here, and I see 9 on the ground. And the police, they over the next 3 man them with gun back at them head. And somebody come out, Perry's mother come out and start beat Perry's and ask him why am they over there. And I saw the police them get up over the next youth them where them did they over.
Irate residents say Mahim was innocent of all accusations. A young man who did not want his face shown says Mahim was in no way a troublemaker, just someone who loved playing games on his device.
Me and him grew, them man is not them type of people. The man ever depend him game, never a good youth, never push badness yet. From me know never push badness yet from me know him. Yeah.
But the
only thing him do is smoke.
The young man says his friend's killing has left him bothered.
This make me feel traumatized because a simple game I'm gonna play and then shot him for no reason. This can't happen to anybody.
Reports from the police are that when they entered the yard, someone pointed an object at them and they fired. The Independent Commission of Investigations is probing the incident. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
With new